Question 7 says it can reasonably be inferred from the first paragraph that in obtaining outside funding for the community center, OPSHA could be characterized as blank. So here, because it mentions that we should go to the first paragraph, I would go there, but I would ignore completely this whole reasonably be inferred thing, as I've mentioned on other questions. We're not looking to make an inference, we're looking for the one answer choice that is exactly the same as the text. So when we go back to the answer choices, we arrive up here and we have, as head of the community center, he went after every existing grant on the city and state level to bring them puppet shows with the message to avoid drugs. So when it mentions outside funding, and we have here this whole thing about every existing grant. Okay, so the first answer choice says he was thorough in seeking out potential sources for financial backing. Well, a grant is a source of financial backing, so that seems to work. And thorough also seems to work because it says he went after everyone, right? So that seems decent. Let's check out B. Reluctant to spoil the children with charity. He doesn't mention anything anywhere, nobody does, about charity or spoiling or anything like that. So B doesn't work. For C, we have excited about having the children write grant applications. It doesn't say that the children wrote the applications. In fact, it says specifically that he went after every grant. So unless there's some other piece of information that's provided, which there isn't, we don't have any basis for saying that the children wrote the applications. For D, we have determined to let the children decide how the money would be spent. Again, it doesn't say anything anywhere about the children figuring out how money will be spent. So this whole thing here about children deciding doesn't work at all. Once again, the correct answer is the thing that says precisely what the original text said, and the wrong answers are the ones that don't, which is what we would expect on a reading comprehension question, multiple choice. So that takes care of number 7. Let's take a look now at question number 8.